Guys, this is Mohsen AR from Signbox software, and this lesson is all about if and else. And this topic might take 2 to 3 videos. So let's come to the topic if and else. These are like a normal English term. For example, if I ask somebody to buy a pineapple for me, then he may reply, if pineapple is not available, else what should I buy? So a condition is there. Either go with this or that. For that scenario, we will use if and else. I will show you single statement if and else, and also multiple statements in a block of if and else. So let's take an example on both. First, see the syntax of a single if and else statement, and then syntax of multiple if and else statement. Then we will move to the example. So come to this Visual Studio Code, and in create a file called if and else, sorry, else.java. This is our class. So this is a syntax of a single if and else. So let's come to the example. So guys, this is example of a single if and else statement. In this example, I have initialized two variables of type integer. One is a brother age, which is 18, and other one is a sister age, which is a 16. So I am comparing the both ages in the if statement. So the brother age greater than sister age, this is true as per these values. So in the console we will see brother is elder. If brother age is not greater than sister age, then that means sister is greater. So in this case we will see the brother is elder. So let's compile it and execute this program. Now the answer is brother is elder. So if I make it 21, now you will see, compile it, sister is elder. In this case it is checking, comparing these two values, and if brother is greater than a sister, then this will condition will be true and this will print, and else if not, then else will print. So this was example of a single if and else. Let's come to the multiple if and else. So there is nothing new in multiple if and else. What we have to do, we have to just pass a parent, open curly brace and closing curly brace, and open curly brace for else, closing curly brace for us. So in the block of this we can write multiple statements as we want. Okay, so we can write multiple statements. So this is about multiple statement. Let me give you a syntax of that. Syntax: if condition, open curly brace, statement, copy and paste, else, open curly brace, and this is a syntax of multiple uh, if and else. So here we go with the example. So let me compile this again. See, the answer is history greater, sorry, just because of these statements. Compile it again. Now the sister is elder, sister is elder, sister is elder. So this is this else condition is executed just because of a sister age is 21 and sister is elder, brother age is 18, so brother is younger. So this was example of if and else, but let me give you some main points regarding if and else. If and else will always work on a true or false, not 0 or 1. For example, let me give you the example. If I say like this one, I'm passing just brother age here, or I'm just passing 200 or something like a 20 or any number like a 2. So I'm passing integer here, not a boolean value. So compile it, let's see what we'll get. Now see, the error is occurred and it says incompatible types, integer cannot be converted to boolean. So this condition will always take a boolean. Like if I am passing a true here, then this condition will always be true, and this is a useless code. That's why it is showing me the underline green mark. Okay, let me save it and compile it. Now it's compiled fine. So you guys know that these are here we are using a relational operator, and the relational operator will always give us boolean values, true or false. So if and else will always work on true or false boolean values. Okay, and there are many other ways to use if and else. You can use a multiple if without else. You can use a multiple if else if. Okay, and the difference between these two is when you use a multiple if without else, then all those will be checked whether they are true or false. And if and in if else if, only first true condition will be executed. If all conditions are false, then the last else will be executed. Let's take example for these two. Let me remove this example. So guys, this is example in which I am just comparing the 10 less than 20, and you can see all these conditions are true, 10 is less than 20, 20 is less than 30, 30 is less than 40, and the 50 is less than 60. All these conditions are true. So when I compile this program again, clear it. True 1, true 3, true 4, true 3, true 4. Okay, so this is for just understanding purpose. I'm just printing the true 1, true 2, 3 and 4. So all these conditions are true, and we are printing, and this is printing all these conditions. What if I write else here? So now when I execute this, compile this program and see, the first condition is true, then the remaining conditions will not be executed. But remaining are also true. This 20 is less than 30, 30 is less than 40. These conditions are true, but these will not be checked. Okay, only first true conditions will be checked, and if it is true, then this condition will be executed and remainings will be skipped. So let me make it a false and compile it. See, the second condition is a true. Now the first condition is a false, just because of 10 is a lesser than 20, but we are making it 10 is greater than 20, so this is false. And the second one is a true, and the third and fourth is all this is also these conditions are also true, but it will not be executed. Okay guys, so this was if, else and if. For example, I am doing this, and now these all conditions are false. So if all conditions are false, then what will happen? Nothing is happen. So let me add else condition here. Else condition here. Now all else if are false, and now compile this program. Now see, the else is a true, so when all the if are false, then the last one else will be executed. Okay, so guys, this was a basic understanding about if and else, and hope you people have understand my points. And in the next video we will cover the nested if and else, or you can say if inside if. So we will cover in the next video. If you like this video, keep press on the like button. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press on a bell icon. Thank you guys.